Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 41 of the Miley Gen Secret System challenge. Okay, guys. And today is May the 20th of 2025, and we're back with another video. If you guys do not know what we're doing, okay, guys, we are using a service called Miley Gen Secret. Okay, and what they do is we collect 100 to 200 leads every single day. And eventually we get thousands and thousands of leads. And then what we do is we go out and grab a network platform, a network marketing platform, such as Clickbank or Max Bounty or Warrior Plus or something like that. We send those offers to the mileage and secret traffic, right? So for this challenge, I am shooting a 365-day challenge, okay? Where I'm promoting one offer from Clickbank, okay, and I'm going to use the My Lead Gen Secret system. I want to put those together. I'm going to see if we can earn a full-time income doing this method. All right, guys. So if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back to day number one of this specific challenge. That way you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. All right. So today, what I'm going to do is show you guys how to how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system, and then also I'll show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. So, if you guys don't know what Miley Gen Secret is, Miley Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. Now, you may call it business opportunity leads. Okay. Now, these people that are coming onto this list of this Miley Gen Secret list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. So, our job as affiliate marketers is we go out and we find offers that are related to making money online. We send those offers to the traffic, and those people are interested. Okay, now these people subscribe to the offer, and then they also purchased the product. Okay, from the offer as well. Okay, so that's our job. Is we're the middleman. We are the link between what someone needs and what the tool that they need to have to get what they're trying to accomplish. Okay, and we link those two together. So that's what we do. Okay, so if you guys have ever sent out an email in Gmail or Bing or whatever email service that you have, um, if you guys know how to send out emails, you can do this method, guys. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over 3 years. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. I've earned income with it. All right. So, but I do want to throw out a disclaimer. I cannot guarantee that you're going to make anything because I don't know if you're going to go out and get an account or get multiple accounts and if you're going to send out emails every day like I did. All right. So the cool thing about Mileage and Secret is that you can have more than one account. Okay. So once you sign up, I did leave a link below this video. So all you got to do is come down here to the more tab right here. And this link right here, MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It's going to take you to the Miley Gen Secret system. You're going to be able to sign up and you're going to be able to create your account. Now, after you create your account, you're going to be able to have multiple accounts, guys. That's pretty much the trick in this thing on how you're going to earn income with this is by getting multiple accounts. Okay. So what you would do is once you sign up below, okay, once you get into your account, your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. You're going to have your own personalized Miley Gen Secret link. So you're going to take that and you're going to sign out of this account and you're going to put this into the browser and you're going to sign up under your own account. Okay. And that's how you're going to keep stacking your account. So you're going to keep doing that for each and every account. So you have one account and then that next account that you have, you're going to sign up under your own affiliate link. Okay. That way, the monthly bill it is the one-time charge of $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service is very inexpensive. Okay, for what you're getting, you're going to multiply your investment in this, guy. So don't even worry about that. But you want to get those multiple accounts, at least 3, 4 to 5 accounts is going to be the sweet spot. Okay, that's where you can start earning income, and then once you start making money, you can reinvest and you can get more and more accounts. Me, I have 8 different accounts. Okay, that work wonders for me. Okay, so I'm just going to keep those 8 accounts. I may later down the road, if I'm doing another offer or if I'm doing another type of business opportunity, I will I will maybe grab some more accounts, but right now, 8 accounts for one offer, guys, is more than enough. Okay, to see results. All right. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you get multiple accounts. All you got to do is use different email addresses. Okay, you can't use the same email address. Use different email addresses for every account that you guys are trying to get. All right. So your back office is going to look like this, guys. All right. This is the home screen. It's the overview screen. The only thing different from your account and mine is going to be the emails that you're sending out. You may have a different set of emails. Right here, where's my leads? These are the leads coming in every single day. Okay, this account only has 100 because I don't have, this is my last account. I don't have anyone after this account. Okay, so that's, you will always get 100 leads until you get a sign up under this account. Then I'll get 200. Okay, but I would have to get another account or somebody would, need to sign up. Okay, so right here is master email swipes. These email swipes, guys, are additional emails that you guys can use to promote whatever offer that you want, and you can use these emails. These emails are written by a seven-figure marketer. They do convert very well. Okay, I purchased. I ain't gonna lie, I purchased them myself. Okay, and I've used them before. They do work. All right. But for the sake of this video, okay, if you guys are not looking to spend, trying to keep all the costs down, we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor, okay, from the vendor from Clickbank, okay. Clickbank is going to be the service, the network platform that we're going to use. Clickbank has tons of different niches such as health and fitness, spirituality, business opportunities, okay. And the business opportunities niche is what we are using Clickbank for, okay. Clickbank, go to clickbank.com and create a free account. It doesn't cost you a dime to get started, all right. You can get started literally today, okay, and start promoting some of those offers, sending them to this traffic, guys, and start, making a way for yourself. All right. So that's what that tab is. All right. The mailing system is where you're going to be at. Okay. Now you're not going to be in any other of these tabs. This is going to be your main tab. This is where you're going to send out your emails, guys. So this is important. Okay. So you want to go to the mailing system. You want to come down here. We got all of our emails here. We're going to select all. All right. What that does, it transfers all the emails that we have accumulated in the account, and it transfers them over to the portal. That way we can send out one email and it goes out to a mass subscriber list. Okay. Now this email that we're sending out, guys, is going to 52,000 people. All right. So we're going to send out one email is going to go to 52,000. All right. Now we're grabbing an offer from Clickbank. The offer that we are grabbing is called Live Chat Jobs, which is social sales rep. So we're using this offer. Okay. And you can go in to Clickbank, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. This is going to be the offer in the Make Money Online, the e-business, e-marketing niche. This is the top offer on there. Okay. These are the free email swipes that we're going to be using. All right. They're free. Okay. So as you can see, we have one all the way to 20. Okay. So you're going to want to come through here through these emails, and you're going to want to send out, just copy and paste, guys. That's all you got to do is copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, guys, this is super easy for you to do, guys. All right. So let's go ahead and send out an email. I'm going to show you guys how to do it real quick. All right. So let's do it. So we want to grab the subject line. It's a good subject line here. $280 a day. Shopify chat assistant, which is pretty nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and go here, control V. All right. So that what that does is it puts our subject line there. That's a pretty nice subject line. All right. So you want to come down here to the body. And me, I've already sent out my email today, guys. We want to click on perfect timing. We want to come back over here to the offer. You want to grab the offer, grab it, all of it. Okay. Come down here, control C. Come back here, and then we want to control V. All right. All right, perfect. Okay, so you want to come here and you want to take out signature, and you want to put in either your name or management, whatever you want to do. Okay. And then where it says country here, I like to kind of make it more personable. So I want to say like from your area, right? Instead of country, okay? So that way, our prospect is like, oh man, there's something going on in my area, right? In my town, okay? So I want to come up here to the codes. These are the codes that we can address your prospect by their first name, full name, last name, however you want to do it. But the more professional, okay, the more high converting way to do this in the email is to address the prospect by their first name. Okay, so when this email goes out, it's saying like, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, hi, Jaden, whatever your name is. Okay, so you want to come here And here's another one, applicants from your country. Where it says your country, we don't want to make it, we want to make it more personal, all right? So let's take this out, put it in your area. Right here where it says click here, we want to make this a clickable link. So this link where it says click here, we want people to click on that, okay? That's a call to action button, okay? Call to action line, okay? So what we want to do is come back to the offer. Now, under every offer, there's going to be a link that you're going to be able to use for the email, right? And that's what we're going to use. Okay, we're going to use an offer. We're going to use an email. We're going to use this hop link. Okay, for our offer. Right now, what's very important is that where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, this is where you put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, guys. All right. So that's what you would do. Okay, you want to Control V, come right here, take this out right here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. Put in your affiliate ID. Okay. Don't put in mine. Don't put in Jermaine one. Put in your affiliate ID. Okay. So I'm gonna take this out right here and boom. Okay, we're good to go, guys. So go ahead and click on OK. And what that does, guys, it turns that into a clickable link. All right. So we have a clickable link there. And then also we got one down here as well. All right. So we want to take that and we want to make this a clickable link as well. Okay. Control V. And then we want to come here where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID. We want to take that out and you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID and go and click on OK. All right. What that does, guys, it turns that call to action button into a clickable link, okay? And then you want to either do 16 or 18 on the text so you can make it bigger. So when someone's looking at your email, it's coming across their screen where they're not having to squint their eyes or it's too big or something like that. So 16 to 18 is going to be a good size for you, okay? So as you can see, this email looks really good, guys. So what we would do, okay, we're addressing our prospect by their first name. And then also we have a click here. We got a call to action. So our customers are going to be clicking on this link. Okay, and then they're going to read the job description, $35 an hour, how many hours a week, what location that you have. We got people from your area that we're hiring. All right. Live chat assistants in huge demand right now worldwide. Remember, let's go ahead and make that in your area, right? All right, boom, that's it. And then boom. So if you qualify, click here. So someone's going to click here. There's going to be two buttons, okay, that you're going to click on down here that's going to be available. One is going to say send now. Okay, the other one's going to say preview. What we want to do is we want to preview this ad before we send it out. Okay, we don't want to just send it out without even checking if the links work. Okay, you want to check to see if the links work. Okay, so you want to click on preview. Boom, click on preview and then you want to click on these links. Make sure you click on both of them and make sure they go to your affiliate page. That's very important that you do that, guys, okay? Because if you don't do that and you ended up sending out an email and it doesn't, the links broke or it doesn't go to your correct affiliate page, you're just missing out on money, all right? So after you confirm that everything works, go ahead and click on click here, okay? And then that email is going to go out, guys. That's it. All right. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Right. It's very easy to do. And if you guys, you got lost, just rewind the video and go back and watch it again. Okay. Matter of fact, guys, if you're watching this video, if you kind of like this type of stuff, if you looking for ways to earn income online, click the link below this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Okay. Let us know what you think. It does help the channel, help the page, and get this information out there for someone who's looking for ways to earn income online. All right. That's it, guys. So let's go ahead and we did send out an email last night. All right. Let's go ahead and go in here and we want to check to see how we did last night on the email that we sent out. So let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. And this is Clickbank, guys. Clickbank is free to get started, doesn't cost you anything. So go to clickbank.com if you don't know what it is. Create your account, get started sending out emails. All right. So today is May the 20th. Okay. Today we got over 1,100 hops, which is really good. Okay. We got over 1,100 hops. We got 687 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses, okay, that are coming to our page, all right? And we got one initial order from impression, and then we got one order from impression, and then one unique order from impression, okay? This person went to the checkout page, they decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason, okay? In our case today, we did get a sale today. Okay, so someone did sign up today. We got a sale. Okay, we got a free trial sale. This sale is going to be billed out in 3 days. Okay. We're going to get paid for this. Okay. In 3 days. All right. Now, the cool thing of why we are promoting this offer right here is because it has a rebill of $28. Okay. So as an affiliate, we keep 75 to 85 commissions of that. So that means we would get the $20 from that split. Okay. Which is these $20 are going to be rebilled to the customer month after month after month after month. As long as our customer is still working with us, they're going to get billed the $20. Okay. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up. Okay. Multiple people paying their $20 a month. All right. So that way we're going to have our $40 days. We're going to have our $60 days. We're going to have our $100 days. What's going to end up happening is that these payments and these residual rebills are going to start stacking on each other, right? I've already showed you guys that this has happened already. Okay, we got just the other day before yesterday, I believe, we got a rebill. Okay, because right now we've completed the first 30 days. Now we're on the second 30 days. Okay, so since we're on day number, I believe 41 or something like that, that those people that signed up in the first 30 days, they're getting rebilled for the program again. All right. So not only are we getting the commissions from the sales that we're making right now, we're getting the rebills from the people that signed up last month, guys. This stuff is fun. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that we did get a sale today. Okay, and we are on track. I believe there should be a rebuild coming up sometime soon. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not having been keeping track of who signed up the last 30 days, guys. I'm just kind of going at this thing to kind of show you guys real time how this works. All right. So the cool thing is that we got a sale today, and this sale should be paid out. Today is what, Tuesday. So that this sale should be paid out maybe like Friday, maybe. Okay. So we'll be looking for that sale on Friday. And then also we're going to be looking for more initial sales coming in, guys. Okay. So the whole point of here, guys, is to get sales every single day. Okay. We have people signing up every day. And then also we have our trial period rebills coming. And then from the previous months, we got those people getting billed over and over and over again. Okay. This stuff is it's going to be a good time, guys. So stick with me. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. Okay. I wanted to show you the results from what we did with Clickbank last night. We did get a sale today, guys, which is awesome. We didn't get any rebills yet. Okay. But I'm going to be looking for those rebills coming in. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note, guys, and I'm going to see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.